As a matter of fact, we have a storm system that's pretty strong. So Storm Prediction Center already has these areas earmarked for the better chances for severe weather. In the orange, farther down to the south, a better chance for, say, damaging winds, damaging hail. Tornadoes can't be ruled out. And then some of it also moves into the southwestern corner of Missouri as well, and a small chunk of Kansas too. We could see a few stronger thunderstorms in and around Kansas City. That is on Tuesday, which is why that's the impact day. Definitely because of the afternoon and evening hours could be a little bit on the soggy side. Then in the wraparound stages of the storm system, look what happens on Wednesday. An impact as well. Morning snow showers, windy conditions, limiting visibilities. Not much accumulation, but there'll still be some moisture left over to actually stick, depending on how quickly the ground cools back down. Right now, just the opposite. We have partly cloudy skies ongoing and 53 degrees, way above freezing. Southeast winds at 10 miles an hour. They were gusty earlier today. They'll probably be very gusty with our storm system moving through later on this week. So a little bit on the chilly side, back down to 50 with a partly cloudy sky giving way to mostly clear conditions overnight. We dropped only to 40. So it's a fairly mild start to the day, and then the afternoon gets all the way up to 59, almost near 60 degrees. Spotty showers will be moving through, but I do mean spotty, as you will see in just 1 second. As a matter of fact, this storm system, the smaller one, is going to be moving closer to us, giving us that chance of some spotty showers and thunderstorms. Here's a look at the exclusive first look 9-day forecast. Let's talk about Monday hour by hour. First off, staying mild compared to where it should be. Those southeast winds at 10, gusts up to about 25 miles an hour or so. High temperature in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. But Tuesday and Wednesday are the two impact days. Warm, 64 on Tuesday before the rain really gets going in the afternoon and evening hours. And then it cools down significantly only to the 40s on Wednesday. And we start another warming trend through the 40s and 50s and get back into the 60s, if not the 70s, by early next week, Monday and Tuesday. But as I say, spotty showers. Hopefully your visibility is good. Look at your vision. A couple stray, I do mean stray showers, a possibility during the afternoon hours on Monday. That's the smaller system. Then clouds will be fairly thick. But heading into the rest of the work week, as you see here, that's when the impacts will definitely be coming through. With the larger storm system, they'll take shape once again. Here you see it with those stronger thunderstorms farther down to our south and southeast. Some heavier rain a possibility with this. And then here comes the wraparound stage. Look at the blue. Grand Island starting to swing down toward the northwestern corner of Missouri, northeast Kansas, and a mix for Kansas City. Accumulations probably over the northern portions of Missouri and northeast Kansas, possibly up to an inch, inch and a half up there. And then it starts to cool down quite a bit with our temperatures for highs only in the 40s and lows back down below freezing.